Not international.
Girl, them not cook. Them not cook for true. A pure KFC and Burger King. A pure fast food.
Where else man you come from?
I don't know who sent it.
So you eat somewhere you know?
Since what? Somebody got poison me? No, you use the broom.
Barbecue and grill.
You see that? Them shell that. Shellings. I got it from Fashion Nova. The hair I'm not really fit. Guys, I'm still such as pink at Jamaica. Pink!
Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see you walking across the room. Let us know it's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. Love that he thinks.
The egg them and some of them. Good morning, cuties. Is it just me? Or this hairstyle just give my face a different look? I don't know if I like it anymore. It's like when I wake up this morning, I'm gonna take off the cap. I'm gonna just sit in the mirror and I'm trying to like this hairstyle, but I'm not. I don't know, I think it, I can't put my finger on it, but I don't know if it's because my hairline the way normally my hair do. This a little moldy right there, so. This is which part my daughter usually carry me hairline. And then when they do it now, they put it right on top of my original hair, which is weird because we normally put the cap down here to protect the original hairline, right? But they don't do it like that. They put the thing. Wow. The muff stoopies?
Yeah, that's stoopies.
Pigtail?
Yeah.
Can I save that for me?
Yeah, let me see what.
Save two.
Two of them. Yeah. Tell me now.
Yeah, so usually them use, what did I say? Usually them use the cap for protect the original hairline. So them normally put it like past your hairline, brush in your real hairline and put it past it. But they don't do that. They actually brush your real hairline and put it on your real hairline, which is weird. This is the reason why the one of the girl in my Jamaican on the edge. Because when you literally pick out the edge, them I have to be so careful taking off this wig. So careful, because when I tell you the woman pierce the ear, the wig cap and the wig on my hair, it's crazy. But anyway, but it is cute. It is cute and she did a really good job. But I'm trying to like it. I think it just gives my face a different shape in a way. I don't know. I mean, you don't know your girl cute in anything. I'm joking. But for real though, it's giving, I don't know, I think it's giving grown. My bad full yet? I full my bad for you. I want to look at water. Huh? Yes, I love my bad food. Yeah. So, I think before my baby, I go upstairs to make some breakfast. Make some egg and some balloon, some sandwich. I'm going to make some sandwich for the picnic them. And then today, I go up on the hill. I go up in a, what's the name, Scooby? Irish Town. I go up at Irish Town. Maybe I burn them for a funeral. They're going to have some funeral across the road. So, yeah, that's the plan. Alright? See y'all in a minute. And let me know what y'all think about this hairstyle for real. Should I have local gravy for put on him food? I saw not forget the dog to eat the food. When I put local gravy pan it give him. Oh, my move. Oh, the cat. Him have a fur ball. You know them have fur ball and them church them lick themselves to clean themselves. And I lie. It's fur ball and them throat. Oh, you have to know that with cat.
Foreign things from Jamaica all the way.
Excuse me, foreign things. Guys, tell him say fur ball and cat throat, no? He might try cough up him fur ball. Scooby, cat lick themselves to clean themselves, right? And because they do that, ear turn like a little ball in them throat. And then them cough it up. Go to tell me about jerky, send a pump. Oh God, it smells all the time. You can't put it for me. Remember, wait for somebody send time. Come give me.
Somebody send time?
Somebody send time.
Blood clot. I was country now.
Let me see. I'm getting on time. Oh God. Ooh, them smell nice. They save me some money when we go grocery shopping. Oh wow.
Where is the money come from?
I don't know who sent it.
So you get some money now?
Since what, somebody got poison me? A Jaruki sent it up, so that means somebody said give this to cool it for me there. Can they send me then at the place?
So people are going on blood class skeleton time there, so I look back. The people who kill them. Skeleton time.
But remember we already come to the conclusion and say at the Igla them are sell the things them there. It's not the farmer them. Look how you throw down the water. Boy, you don't do things terribly. So if you walk with it weird, it must wet you up.
Under the bottom it's dirty.
You just wash the thing, girl.
But it's still dirty, I never have nothing to wash it out.
The hose and the pipe?
The ones are scorned.
So I'm to the pipe in the washroom.
I eat my use, but it can't.
It can't wash on the bottom?
No, it won't.
I never witnessed this yet.
Sign this to us.
I never witnessed this yet. No, sir. You see, him hungry. And him not.
You can wash a pan.
He's not hungry, he's thirsty. It's a girl, by the way.
She hungry. What's wrong with the food? She don't want that. Oh, she eat it. Stop your foolishness. Good girl. That is it. Them talk about you don't like your food because them don't want to feed you. But I can't go over tomorrow with you, same with be know yourself.
What can we do?
She'll come over with me tomorrow.
You have leash?
If me have leash?
Yeah.
Over Waller?
Yeah.
So she not gonna walk behind me or walk beside me?
Who? You can.
Joke you control her. No you.
Stop. You know. Come the motor step up. I have to stop.
Scooby go step. Wickedness. Jesus. Emma, can I wash plate? Emma wash plate downstairs to me every morning. Every morning she come. Huh?
Oh, she can't wash plate and she eat.
Could you fire that big boy? She can't wash plate and she eat.
She can. Everybody wash plate. Like,
Zoe Ann?
the day before yesterday was my time.
Come on. Come. You sit them in the towel. Look all I'm telling you to take up the things them.
Take out the big.
Huh?
Emma, take out the big frying pan here. The big tough one.
I'm gonna have to rinse out the cloth then when I'm not done wash plates, you know. Rinse out the cloth, wring it out, wipe off the counter. Huh?
The frying pan. You have a big frying pan, a stick frying pan. Why not?
It's a dog pot.
Right there.
Sit there. On the island, why
This.
not?
I don't like fry egg in the pot in a stick. You cannot fry egg.
Once you
Or
make
me.
it, once you make it red hot.
Oh,
you
that's
have to-
well hot.
Yeah.
Them can't tell me so that island not hot now. Them say wait till the island hot. And I waited. I think this pot just can't fry egg. Next time does she there? Let's see. Let's say if the egg start to trouble or scramble it around again. I'm going to start then. So we care about them that downstairs, you know. So the black pepper never downstairs? No. What, up here?
No.
Go right there. No, that just has to be downstairs, you know. Hot. Really just want hot. Okay. Alright. You live and you learn, right? Alright, I need a plate to put these stuff on. Here. Guys, I'm still such a pink as Jamaica. Pink! Real neat make them.
Want you but don't need you. Can't figure it out. Something wrong.
This is how I'm gonna eat my sandwich because I don't know, I feel so hungry, but I feel like it eats too good. When we reach up, when we finish and get ready, we'll come back soon, alright? Sit here. You're so tiny, the food bigger than him. They got right to stick him. Take time to make the pit them eat some. But sis, Jerky, give me one more. Because the big puss not getting no more. Yeah, put me on there to push them.
Do you want sachets?
We want my sachets.
Do you want it?
In my belly can. Do the box side. Come here, come here. You move. Come. Star, stop. See, she can't go like she mad. That's why she not eat. That's why your mother take it away. If you bite me, come slim thing. A slim thing. She mad like. Stars, no, here. Go away. Here. What you want, Iman? Listen to pussy. Look on the big, him not in blind, Cherokee. I think him blind. It could never be. Come, sit here. Look. Look at me and talk about Lecky. Look, sit. Shh, come. She blind for sure. She can't see.
She's not blind.
She eat my hand.
Oh, she can smell her mother, right?
Because she can smell her mother. She just run down her mama say you fool like. What? I should find it now. Every time I get stars, the food she run. Come, my last one. Come here. That is it. That's it for the feeding. It done, stars. Look, done.
What's that thing there now?
I'm a finger show and bite.
With the flavor.
Finish. Finish, oh. So only need the man them and don't need the picnic them. We no plan to keep them.
I don't know. I remember them. I'm done the star.
It's done. What was done? Food done.
I mean, I took one from here, them one done the toast man.
Why, little? Okay, the mama angry now.
You afraid of cat? You afraid of cat?
You afraid of cat? Why?
First time when you my baby.
Yes. Guys, I'm looking cute. I'm going to show you my outfit. Let's go outside. Let's get outside. Why don't you can turn the camera right now? That's a really awkward.
No, because it's already started, so we're going. These are the kids. This is Zendaya. This is Mia. Ailey's hiding behind the door. Wait. Ailey's hiding behind the door. We all know Emma, the foodie. And then we have Zoe, the hider. Final check.
Which class? This? It's good?
Yeah, cute.
You sure?
Yeah.
Or these? Is this kind of much the bag?
Yeah, with the bag. Let me see. Yeah, with the bag. Yeah.
Yeah.
That go with the here. That go with the suit and the bag.
I don't want no glasses at all on my face.
Walk with the glasses.
Walk with the glasses. Give me fancy. Fancy always are win.
Yeah.
Always are win.
You can go with it. Complete the face.
Listen, we're keeping her on. Let's go. We got the keys and everything. I got my money.
You have the key?
I got my extra
The
battery.
key out here.
I need my fan. I need my phone. And I think we're ready. I got lip gloss. Let me take up this dress thing.
And that's Tishy right there.
That's my baby when she was a baby. She's so cutie. She's so cute.
Let's go. Are you ready?
There's the key.
What do you have to say?
Nothing at all. Good day. Alright.
Oh, you have to feel awkward.
Come back. Come on.
Nobody's there but me. Say something.
Take up the key and follow. Hi guys, I'm Zoe.
And what else?
Oh, last weekend was my birthday.
And?
Jarukin, no more.
We're done here, people.
Okay, fit check.
Hold on.
Jumpsuit from.
Fit check. You can see me?
Full.
Okay, so remember this jumpsuit? I got it from Fashion Nova. The hair I'm not really feeling it, but it's okay, it's cute. Fenty glasses, ring from Shein. Well, all my jewelry are from Shein, except you know what. This is a swimsuit top from Shein. But because I think the white would go way better with the jumper, I'll put it down. Coming on the white top. But I think the top would have bring out the jumper more. The white top, I mean I understand, I don't care no white top whatsoever.
And then out here hot like lava.
And then my hot like fire already. And then my little, what do you call this again? So, there you go. You know what, man. And I got my sambas. Cute.
We buy
Cute. I'm going to pop it out.
Already.
Just yet, oh, you laugh. We just laugh here.
And those are my nieces.
I don't know where it comes from.
All of them. Look, it's just cute. I'm going to turn on those.
Come, guys.
Alright, we gotta go because I start get that already in the cuties. You know that already. River them I go? Pasha go? Me? She go river? Where you going? You come? She coming? Oh, we gonna fit in the car. Ill, we are going to tell Boogie? Lord of His mercy. Ill, we are going to know them, but Papi, I go all about. We gotta make it work today, my love. Your jacket? What, Scooby need a big boss? Alright, cuties, let's go down like Ill. I'm reaching around and pick me up because the ill rough, bad. Bad. Yo, me I telling you, so recently glasses from my face are hurt my head. I don't know why. The minute I put it on and it's not tight. But beauty comes with pain, my love. Yo! Not a thing for money, I think you come link me. But I have it though. Yeah, I know me that see you.
Now come around here.
When I come around here, camera on.
Me say no come around here, I mean first say so. Me say no it shine pan she. She. No, you not see you.
You're welcome, cuz. You go for Burger. For Burger. For Scooby brother up the hills. So come now.
Can?
You said that me a Rasta boy.
Can?
You're always busy, your book.
You
Girl, your book and walk come everywhere.
keep saying come. You full the car without last. She better drive.
Oh, she drive. Jerk said that, Gustav. Thank you, baby. Thank you. A bush up here, son. Through the only a bush, it look like a night time, guys. It's not night. What you saw? What again? What's the name again? Irish Town. With that Irish Town up in the hills.
You don't see the seed when the bar on.
Where bar there? A bar that? Jesus. There's a big little bar there everywhere now.
Let me tell you.
Every single way a little bar there it's rotted. There's no more customer because everybody have to sit down at their shop.
Let me tell you, say you got more selling than blood clams by you. Let me tell you, I see there, it's a full field.
Everybody have to sit down at their little shop and not try to make money. Cover it back, my love, because you go like you want to run it over. Oh, I forget to the gazebo there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, wow.
Any pot? Oh, you need crab though. You just get any pot. Just put them on the stove. Water and night and everything.
I'm going on a bicycle.
Wait.
Scooby Nisi. You remember me? Oh. Where's mommy? So go back.
I'm on the bicycle.
I'm gonna go up on the bicycle?
Our brother.
Oh. Don't ever say me get fat. One perfect view there in there, sir?
Yeah.
We'll just run so. Yo. You don't have to. If they have it, you can do it. Hey, what going? Look at the view, the kids say. Nice. Anyway, I'll look at my crab. Around this on the first day, no? Up on this on the first day. I rode this on realize, right? Okay.
Light, so you can see.
Guys, me I show the Scooby brother and tell me if they're gonna twin. Okay? When we just meet them, I think I twin them. Wow.
Too much, sir?
No, man.
Yeah.
Scooby and them crab there. Scooby back in front of that crab. Can put the bone them and something in there. Scooby. Scooby carry this around there, so. Yo! No, sir. You get, Shamai, we get cup with ice? Okay. Let me go talk to them, pick me up about my crab before them start yam. What in there? Before them start yam, everything inside. Make sure you try one of them, yeah. Paris, pop off a leg or something.
You want to taste that? Papa, want to ask you?
Yeah. Paris is like now. They're not that spicy. I feel like chew pepper expensive. Them like no. When I buy it, that no. It's spicy. Well, ha. That's some here. Oh no, what? You want more crab? What that? The pepper? But I'm gonna put it on this store or till anymore. You're welcome. No, actually, I show up crab. Wanna reach?
Yes, ma'am.
You like it?
MVP?
Look at the counter top.
Thanks. Price, you like it? Good, please.
So all of them your niece?
She and my niece. Them two are my cousin. Omar baby, them two here.
Oh, Omar, baby, them.
Yeah.
And them are
Birdie one, Boogie one, Birdie one.
Oh, yeah, me know Birdie. Him not rum cream.
Pepper bun, you? Pop them off. Bend him down, yeah.
No, hot right now it plays so cold. Up here so no cold is. Up here no cold is.
Think I can't today.
I'm gonna don't have to put
Cool?
yeah, don't have to mean.
Mic up that?
You are gonna ask me, you know, something there. Walk on. If I need your cheers, sit down.
You're not a straw, bagger?
If I your cheers, sit down.
One straw for me, please.
I like clappers.
You man like clappers?
Eh? I like the person. Yeah, let me go.
How does he live now, Scooby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool and grow.
You change the bed.
Up here.
Up there, up there.
It's a little boy.
When I get to
Yeah, I'm two of them. Whoa,
No,
you
man.
tell you. Same say no.
I like this thing.
No, man, you know, I can't manage it. Me, I can't manage it.
Big up Lati Boo Boo.
Hey.
Hey. Guys, You hear her earlier say she don't know if she like crab. No, she can't tell you you love crab. Yeah. Love it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so crab for eat. You know see this?
Come at me.
You know see that? Them shell that. Shellings. No left. You see lizard? Where?
Could be a two there.
Which part them there? Oh my God, a croaky to pussy cat. A croaky them to rust.
They look for where they there.
A croaky, me never see him. But look, him a crawl. Him does a crawl so that weird. Look a boy. Tap it to backside. Hello, come on, yes, sir. Croaky. Me know croaky.
Jaruki pass them next to me there.
Which one you see?
See him that, yes, sir?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, man, get rid of him.
Run him that side. Scooby for that is I'm gonna get up.
That's why I run.
Scooby.
That's why I run.
Scooby down, come on. Scooby guy, what is up?
Yo. No, sir.
Come kill the lizard with them.
Come kill the lizard.
Scooby, we kidding? I Scooby guy left way.
No, sir. Jerky reach me drink for me. Eh? What?
Are you there or not?
Me never see him. Crooked lizard lad?
You
It's a lizard and frog. I thought worst thing ever come on this land.
why we have a Scooby?
Nobody went there. So you know you're afraid.
Yeah.
Come go for him.
So I'm afraid of something, man.
Alright, come go for him.
Like a room.
Scooby say I get the room.
No, you use the broom.
Scooby ain't gonna go and go.
We not run nothing.
Cause you're,
In your back.
cause you're afraid.
A while ago?
Yeah.
Running that way there, Jaruki, not our way. When turn. He
Him no move.
I just affect them.
nobody lick him, make him jump a girl, you know.
Cute girl, move cause you see if me a run.
Well, I have to go run.
Just for him a run. Hang on.
I just affect them.
I want to Jaja. Oh, free Jaja pet them. Me want for somebody. Me want for somebody you want to talk about.
Jaja.
You want more crab? Make your sister pick it off for you.
You bring him up here too?
Eh?
You bring him up here too?
No, bag of baby them here.
Oh. Him? Me?
No, them two here.
Oh.
Right?
Hmm?
She should get big.
Is Scooby?
Oh, because I don't care no coca.
Oh, he can get so big.
Oh, baga?
Hmm.
Yeah, I seen something.
I see
You know
Sonia.
that? You don't know about this one. You
Yep.
don't know about she.
Oh, it's the last one.
Here's the one.
Yeah,
that one?
Page. The big one.
You buy a pack of...
How much you?
That me and say.
How much you have there?
The amount of bunny. Where your juice? They never get juice a while ago. Drink it.
They are about it.
Well, we not forget napkin and clean up on yourself after.
Not drink spicy food with acid.
With acid. Them
Combine
choose
them belly.
acid.
I tell you, don't mess up.
Right now, them belly.
Acid them, sir.
You're about to lift it little.
You remember when we used to do combat macafat with the crab?
Yeah.
With the crab and more crab come in there? This is the best part of the crab. Them two fleshy part, yeah? Dip it in the water and I want to wash it off. Nice. But see Alice yesterday, no? She down there still.
My school is right next to Alice.
You telling me, I swear.
Go on before me like a pack
Nice.
of man.
So like a pack on the... Brighty. Who a flash water for you?
Who doing that? She.
Nobody.
Are you there so far? Alright, you watch your black.
Yeah. Can't nothing depend on her hand for flash so far. Madness. What you want?
Let's take for the food time now after the crab.
You want food, Zoe? I have 2 stew peas in there now. Cuties, we reach somewhere else. We're still at Irish Town, but we're there at some bar at Irish Town. Looking so pretty. Let me show y'all. Run your quiet door, Scooby. You just say she lock? Inside where you go?
Yeah.
Hi. Thank you, baby. You too. So, now Scooby, I think a bar will come.
It's a bar downstairs.
Downstairs the bar there? Oh, they got pool table.
Yeah, man.
Hi. We could play some pool.
Hey, no, man.
At least you're not going with up in the hills.
I'm saying a bar.
Hello. Hi.
Bar open.
Good night.
Bar opening.
Scooby said you want to look at menu.
I think God.
Add something.
Yeah, it's a regular.
Don't I say regular liquor?
It's a regular, yes.
Scooby just want the extra but give him the liquor menu. Like him don't know where we drink.
Yeah, continue the romance.
Yeah, me continue with the Campari.
Flask of rum and flask of Campari.
Thank you. What you want liquor menu?
No, but take care of it.
I think we're going to act out tonight. Guys, may I try to get the way you call it, the crab off of me.
Yeah, go down.
Huh?
Yeah, go.
Yes. Fancy way with tonight. This TikTok?
No, YouTube. YouTube shots.
All the hotness then at the hill now. Them need to put. And you, it happened to you, I'm still like it happened to me. Cuties! I think we're heading somewhere else, I'm not sure yet.
Yo! Right now, yes, sir.
Oh, Scooby, man.
Scooby
Scooby in a bar?
No, see Scooby are coming for the hilltop. So and him not take up him something, I have to show Jariki where him ID.
Eh?
This is
The shrimp
wash it, wipe off your hand. Wait, yeah.
The hand sanitizer. Of course, remember him. The box side, you mean?
Oh, you don't remember to take up your hand sanitizer.
Scoop, me just saw my crab there that me talk about.
Oh, and the food. There, man. You good?
I think you're going wedding too, no?
Hey, where me I come from, man?
Oh. They walk you out today? Then call out for you. Jesus.
No, man, I'm not playing this side.
He moved now? When they know?
Yes, you might make more money.
Me don't wrong you. Me don't wrong you. Me don't wrong you. I don't know walk them like slave up there. And not pay them no good money. Kill the slaves. And walk up 1 million. They won't upgrade for some elevator and some things. Crazy. Watch it. Where? No, I'm married. I'm married today. Nobody can tell me son you married today. Yeah, and I'm married.
It wasn't me.
And
the wife gone.
It wasn't you? So I make you go to the place to take over the groom look. Why you did that?
How you did this one? How you did this one?
Are you two me there?
You can't talk. No. You pull attack all the while. We pull attack every day.
Are you two me there telling people them something?
No.
You don't want to tell people? I know you're
No,
married.
it wasn't me.
A man take a woman, he married a woman, it's not a secret.
You can't go into the details. No.
Alright, sir, good night. No, sir. No, you never dare tell me that. You're too damn lie. You never saw a big wedding.
Wow, mama. Right, let me tell you this. Straight now. Yeah, and daddy have to get married now. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, long daddy married. You have to put on. Don't know about look for me. Yeah, you saw daddy in a nice thing. A pink wedding me I deal with, you know.
Oh, and the man, that's what we just was a fair one.
I'm a father. I'm a father wife.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
I mean, I have to married now. Because me can't do it, you know, so you have to do it to me, you know. They are coming up, they represent my father, you know.
I look how much I will pull up with
The fact. Cuties, newbies, welcome back to another vlog. It is Monday. We don't know the date. But anyway, welcome. If you are new here, my name is Ken. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't, well, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Like the video, guys, please. And my cuties, what's popping? Are you guys enjoying the vlogs? I hope you are, because your girl is tired, okay? This is like a vacation with work. Cuties, you don't see how the ear wall, the ear no move from which part the lady put it in. I am shocked. What the amount of glue them put on. The amount of glue them put on all time I love. My friend called we me a sweat. I think it's at least shift back, but it's not. It's steady, it's tight on here. You know, move none at all. Just the baby ear pull up, but that's fine. And it won't press out. I mean, I have no pressing comb. I don't know. But anyway, I can finish getting ready. I'm going to use like a Prada for the Senti. Oh my god, this cologne perfume is so good. So good. I'm going to use a little bit of, I think, Good Girl. I don't remember she name. But she's so cute, right? She's so good too. So cute is. To all the time I thought ya, may I get rash in places I don't want to tell y'all about. Rash looks so weird. I probably can show you like one. May I get on it my arm. May I get it between my breast here so. And may I get it between my grind side. Right now the ear this way. You like them locked together. It's tough. Oh. It doesn't burn, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't smell. It's just there and I can see it. Underneath my arm, look away if y'all don't want to see this. Look away, please. Okay? Underneath my arm, it is. Can you see? It have roll lamp on it now, so it probably look weird. But if you can see, it come from up here, so because my hand lock like that, the fat part of my hand. So it started from up there, so, and then it rush come all the way underneath here. It's red and it's. This arm is not as bad, but we can see it a come. It's fine, I come in there so. Between my chest, I can't show no that really because I know YouTube probably block it. But it's underneath my breast, because my breast like horse for me, you know? Them not stiff. So underneath my breast I can see it's not as bad. Underneath my breast look more like this arm. And then my grind side here so look like it arm as well. So I'm thinking maybe I should go to the doctor and get something because I know it's the heat. It hit me the first day I reached here I could feel this one. The first day I could have feel this happen. And then I just start see it come everywhere else, like gradually. So I'm wondering if I should just go to the doctor before look some, I don't know, some bush, something, but probably just go to the pharmacy and pick up something. I'll wait till I go back home. I deal with it. But I asked ChatGPT and she said fungus. She said it is fungus caused by sweat and the skin and the moisture rubbing together. That's what's causing it. So, if you don't have any idea of help me, please help. Jesus. The heat bad out here now, guys. I don't know if I'm alone. I don't know if I'm alone. I just probably owe my body set up from birth still. I don't know. That's why when you see me a foreign in a what you call it. When you see me a foreign in a something like this in the winter, I don't know why. My body is deep on a different level. Different. I don't understand it, I can't help it. I don't know about it. But yeah. Anyway, too much chatting. Let's go. Let's get out of here, okay? Look more sweetness can never hurt. So alright, let's go. Right, in me want shoes. What does that say? Cuties, only give me a minute. Oh, later. Bye. Cuties is like maybe hold on there. Viewers. Stop. Didn't feed her yet? Ask Emma if people get feeding from morning. Which part should feed him? Him eat it? Oh no. You see, you look. Him eat the food, Emma? Him eat the food? Alright, baby, soon come here. Soon come. Stay. Yeah, it's like an hour later because I realized that the vlog did not go live. So I have to end up stay and promote it before I come out of the wife. You know, so I left my phone. Shit. Oh my God, forgot back up. No camera. No Wi-Fi road anyway. But I need it for them to snap on my picture of man something there. No, I need it, man. Alright, me I go back up. Hold on. The money every day, everybody back like that and you're rob. Ain't no way you should be able to hop the gas pump. What? I want them to
time I'm waiting to wait.
But tell you what week? What week?
Carrot them and tell me about it.
Already tell me have time for you about it?
Tell me some come 3:30 tonight.
We have been treated tonight?
Yeah.
Which week you haven't put on now?
Remember one week we did give up when we were a month.
Oh.
Remember that week?
Oh, that's
still have that
white
bird?
the long curly ear then.
Yo. 3 o'clock in the morning. I want me straight still, but
You can't get here in the street anytime, because guess what?
Hello, straight.
5 minutes,
Yeah.
And we can't step anybody that chair and flick your ear and let it go.
but more than for the day after Christmas. Because Christmas Day we not nothing more than there the house and chill and
So
yeah.
you're hearing it and put on your bonnet.
Right, and cook and all that bigger, but that's not gonna make it
Tomorrow we're
worse.
cleaning up in a car's job.
Tomorrow me go to town first.
Tomorrow Wednesday, okay?
I want to go to town Tuesday.
Wednesday?
Oh, so tomorrow we are clean.
Go town when?
Tomorrow come
Wednesday you go town, you're mad.
Wednesday.
Christmas Eve you go town.
Christmas Eve, me not go to Christmas
You're
Eve.
mad, man. I better clean Christmas
And
Eve.
tomorrow we go to town.
And season meat and dough we are done
And
yet.
season meat and them something
Now we
there.
can go and vibe and we are see we Christmas Eve and we're done we can walk our road.
Right.
Now we don't must sleep because man it's Christmas. Your man's coming go town which Christmas Eve go buy seasoning.
Christmas, and in the idea we don't go still. But I'm
Yeah, but
saying,
now they still have a knock and
yeah, it's a bit too
and be
much.
a robbery and all that but things like
Tuesday would be if we go to town. The things that, I guess, I don't know, but I will say food down at town and we are going to
yeah,
get it.
that could be because right now every day is Saturday down at town.
I mean, tomorrow, yeah, and she go told for come on to me. No, she not go with me.
Oh,
She can't manage me at all with the flagging.
hold on.
Kimisha come drop off the money since season.
So she want to go to town too?
No, she said she I go town a
No, she
morning.
got town, I'm going to do fair shopping.
But we have to go get the fish them early. Early.
Oh, just a nice place enough.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
just
a
a really,
ever
really
hot.
get up right now. Party I go on every day, 7 days a week.
Remember when we said me stuff on the bar hotel with the man she did there with down here?
Right over here, so.
Somewhere down here so.
Like they have a bar and so where they lock down.
She lock it down?
Yeah, they
She,
got down. I'm
legally she tell me say she work.
I mean, I work down on my
must have shower for now.
Debbie, when the woman here was say she work for?
I did black bar, this have Jamaica bar.
That is so?
Wait, you don't reach it yet. Step, hold on. It's locked down in there, that's why you don't ever have to see it. Lock the bar, we lock the house. Right just so. To the crossway. See your car?
Over this, no, oh yeah, over this so?
No man, the bar was a bar. The one that says a bar alone, man. I want big bar. I don't have my something shop, them today.
I must have the person name she tell me
No,
say she work.
Nadine.
Yes.
She can lose some blood tally, but I run.
Then if I want to in my party, war starting now.
Does it like me?
Come here, take up your liquor quick. Which part of the park here? It's a park in front of the car.
Front to you, yeah.
Watch your liquor. Scooby, you say go in front of the car, you get ticket yourself. Yeah.
Yo! Can't bother. Alright. What is it? Are the ices that over there ready? Ices.
Which place is
I was supposed to. And I eat him with a clean. Yeah, me tell you sir, it's tell us that
I love it. Let me taste one of your one first. Oh, that nice. Yeah.
wow.
One suck one.
Oh, then that is she want suck one. Come that. That's an extra, you see, with it. With the tongue. Then that's so much you eat already?
Yeah, man. You get that vlogger?
Yeah.
If I can breathe something tonight.
I want to taste. How much is it?
6 bills and that.
What?
Alright, give me a dozen milk, come on this up.
One can of pepper, enough pepper, my
Yeah. Birdie, you're eating one tonight. Yes, you are. Then you say your eye not good.
You don't want it.
You say your eye not good. Bye-bye, a dozen.
You don't want more pitney.
I'm going to clean up a dozen for you.
You want to taste, bro?
know what the second is. Oh, not so much food place on the bag.
Oh, not to find some people before you piss yourself out here.
Walk up like pussy.
Come on. Scooby, you can't make him do the whole like some man then would. Scooby, start already.
Ready?
Birdie, you have to try it tonight.
Put the rest in the bag.
Where's to put the rest in the bag?
No, we don't. Scooby, I don't want to eat it.
Scooby.
No, Scooby, I look a baby.
Yeah, you might look for bricks, buddy.
One. One when I big one there.
You try it, Birdie? You try it? Yes, I want for you. I want one. Wait there.
You must scrape them for you. I sure get the young belly.
And the pepper is right?
I'm going to find something that can walk so Come here.
No, shake it, Jim.
No, shake it? Okay, okay, got you. Why want to put it under this?
Come, let's go.
No, sir.
Go, Chua, that's swallow.
Come, Scooby, come eat them, yeah. Scooby. Scooby, you're not
You're not supposed to try doing it for the swallow.
the swallow.
Yeah.
Oh, God, this is
Scooby!
Alright, I'm going to try it again. Jesus Christ.
The swallow like you take a pill, man.
Alright, take off of the... See, the pepper not spicy, though.
Yeah?
It's not spicy. I'm not...
Try the next one then. Yeah?
Me the one. Come, Birdie.
And I'll try it.
Come!
No, okay. I've never in my life and I will never try that.
Why? You could
No, I don't want it. Take it in a pill, an aisle. No, eat it.
What them then need to come here then?
Come! Come because you can't manage it.
We can't manage it.
Why you can't manage it?
I don't know, but...
Arguela.
I don't
Yes,
want them
to be, yeah. I get strong.
Fast or quick? Not at all. Alright, big up yourself. Come here, insist with that cup, boy. That man never got to feed soup? What's again? Sausage along. Birdie, I want this.
What you had dog?
Birdie, enough? You want soup there, please? Yeah, man, give me one. I think of the conch. You know the conch on Monday? Oh, no, conch. Oh, them come out late. Oh. Okay, okay. What is soup done? Soup done, man. Chicken foot in there? Chicken foot, not chicken foot in that, man. That's done. You want to hot dog, the big long... Then take the fight you want, already? Fight dog you want? You can look chicken. Yeah, get that. You want a hot dog? Wait, tell me if you want a hot dog.
I want to come people that come and say. No.
Brother, they don't for buy, man. They move for buy.
They cook a picnic, I could full them up.
Full them.
The one then like you hold with a can with a baked bean. And a pound of rice. You don't need six.
Not one that walk further away.
That soup that's still in
Really fishy soup, you know. Man.
I really come soup more so.
They say come soup over nice differently. They come out from late. You know what they make come, but we can drive out to them come. Are you hungry?
We have birds. Oh, for worry about. Cuties were in Harborview at the roundabout which call them sell the wally pie, you know?
The
Stuff them.
soup, then everything.
The conch soup and the oysters and stuff like that. Somebody will come to forget one conch soup, but them they have none right now. But if you come late and at the night, them say. Late. Oh, 8:39. I said, well, earlier, what time?
It's early now. I just ate 6 minutes now.
But never circle back then. 8:30, 9 o'clock.
My mom was having a big bowl of soup. No, eat on the plate.
Oh, yeah? We have birds.
Yeah, one Thursday and Friday, there's a plate. I want to start.
Oh, Tessa? Jaja family this. That I look so for peace steadily. The soup over here, sir? Oh.
Coming from center.
You can't be there in your pot, sir?
Yeah.
Can't afford to get a rest.
God international.
Lord, I don't have no
Put your money over there, give me mostly meat.
Someone I soup look too.
Yeah.
Can't deal with no time. Don't a GP. I've got to make a
If you want to go put on a
Can't get touch it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give away everything.
She want a cover. You want a cover?
Yes, boss.
Some double.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Police in helicopter. I search the marijuana. Policemen in the street.
How white's the extra? One hot dog?
Yeah.
A bigger frig. Try? I should not share it, you know. Yo!
Cut it, man.
You! I was coming fast.
You ready?
You still going to the soup?
So we are trying with the soup?
No, we can't.
Want one bench there now?
Yeah.
Nice. Like the man here. Look, me can eat. Unless it was too much meat.
No breast. Yes, please. Ketchup, pepper. You're not and the ketchup this is and the sauce, jerk sauce, no?
Yeah, it's a jerk sauce, keep it moist and juicy, right?
Okay. Give me that.
Give me 1 second, shall I wash my hands?
Alright then. Alright.
Where are you vlogging from?
Where? It's for YouTube. But where I'm from,
What's beautiful?
man having pipe and bait things. Proper.
Wash out your hands and
Yeah.
at all time. Hand sanitizer and paper like
Nice.
welcome to Jamaica, you know.
Why?
So welcome to Jamaica.
I live here.
Which one?
St. Andrew, up in a gun town.
Why?
Ah,
So we have to go bring it.
on a Friday.
Every day.
Okay.
Everything done already, so that's chicken alone as well.
Okay.
With the jerk pork, with the fish, with the lobster. You know, seafood boil.
Okay.
Dump to water.
Yeah.
The lips.
Got you.
One leg at a time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything like that. The jerk chicken, like the first time I eat it, you can't really eat it with ketchup and pepper.
No?
Sure.
What about the sauce? You can eat it with the sauce though, right?
If you want, but I prefer you to eat this chicken like natural.
Okay.
Then you're gonna know if the chef bad for you, don't?
Okay.
Take a look at burrata at the restaurant.
Nice.
You want me to give you?
So yeah, give me pepper. What do you think the jerk sauce is spicy, no?
No, man, the chicken is not. Now don't go up on the chicken, them to keep
Oh,
it on
okay.
point. Just a little walk as well.
Mm-hmm.
And that alone you want.
Okay.
And girl go touch it up right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I get attack the brown bread like right there. Yeah, the style.
Yeah.
Crocodile.
That is it.
Now I'll give you a far. Welcome to Jamaica.
Yeah.
Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you.
Sample it. Body
Yeah.
chef, you know.
Yeah. Cute as the chicken looks good. The man said we have to taste the chicken without the stuff they pan it.
Yeah, one is why.
So taste it. Without the ketchup and burn up.
Yeah, the crew might go do it, man. I'm married. So,
Him,
I want this breakfast.
him give me a piece of the meat, because I leg on time me other. The salt?
What do you mean it's salt? I mean, I have low pressure. I'm not saying enough in here, mate.
I share ball for pressure today.
Are you hungry?
Nah, look.
Why do we do it?
Well, listen, mister.
So that's it, salt.
I'm sending a turn bird. All the sellers have some chicken actually. I left them to fish. You know that can you want chicken for me?
Smell like the bread. One bin there, that's up.
Karaoke, ambassador and the security. That's good.
Good, yeah, I'm good. No.
Next time,
I'm here.
What's the phone, man?
Oh,
Liquor.
what? You even tell me want more liquor?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, the deaf. We couldn't get some water before we left. Yeah, man, buy some water, man. I'm thirsty, bad. Oh. Cuties, we're back in the village. They are chill. What's that sign? They are chill go and drink something before we go up. Why? Oh God. I'm tired. I feel sleepy. Cuties, look at the line for Burger King. It's in the middle of the streets. You got to be kidding me. Tomorrow them time and people don't get food yet. Look over there. Over there you go? I don't know, but Me not join the line now going no side not want me. You must be crazy.
That's the same thing too.
Which part?
And in Kingston.
KFC? The line I go long too.
Yeah. It's like come like people afterwards and people come like.
Me not join the line them. Me not do it. I'm not doing it. Joining them long line there for some food. You must be mad. After 12 in the night. Cuties. The local soup went right through me. No, I'm hungry.
How them can walk around and get it?
It don't make no sense. Look at the line. You think nobody ever make you about your drive past them or nothing right now? You can't. Then all them money in the road. Yeah. This ain't no one law and I say you can't in the road.
I never buy food. I never run a new Kingston full of.
Try it. Let's see. We'll try KFC. BRB. I think those people are walk. So where you going to line? Oh. I'm not joining the line, yeah? What you drive? Watch out with that. What is this? Oh my God. Where him I go? I walk around there.
I think you have one line, man.
You look like I can go inside all the knowledge.
Security! Yo! Hear me, I said it. You can't go in? Oh.
Go inside, look full too.
I'll try to go look inside.
So you can't drive in the yard, in the KFC place. Oh, you the park over here, so?
Yeah.
You can't drive in the KFC parking lot.
Go drive in it.
KFC never parking lot in there. Why would you come over here so way?
You can park anywhere.
What?
Park anywhere, man.
Yeah, if you park anywhere when you drive alone. Park anywhere with me a backside. Inside look like it rum Scooby. Boy, I don't think it's worth it for wait for KFC.
How is the traffic like that? Fuck. How we park? One park?
In the KFC place.
See people park over there, say, you know? Because there's space in there.
Then that means inside the KFC full too. I mean, now wait. Go buy the taste bad chicken, the salt chicken and popping because I not do this.
Yeah, well, look. I see if we can get you fast.
So, no. Park over this and run, go on. But so cute is the girl them now cook. Them now cook for true. A pure KFC and Burger King. A pure fast food. Pure fast food, literally. Cause how can a Monday night and the line them a KFC and make them a long stretch the whole of the road? No, my love. But then I want to go to Jamaica. Jamaica land where woman love cook so. No, sir. We couldn't do it. Monday night, I can understand on a weekend when you treat your family and I treat yourself because you're out during the week. But on a Monday night, we can't find little fast food to eat. That's crazy.
Yeah, we done there already, now we just wait, you know.
I don't want to wait.
No,
I not wait an hour or two for no food. Nope, not doing it.
have space in the line.
But you don't have no space in a no line. That the line, the long line. Ooh. Scooby, you should have known right now. Me not wait another line for nothing. Let's go. Figure something out in a Papine Square. Ligani chicken, that's a ligani chicken, that ligani.
Jerk something.
Jerk chicken. Well, we'll go buy 2 jerk chicken. Or if you want, we'll go buy the salt chicken. Chicken salt, like I want. Chicken salt, but the wedge is nice. Anyway, cuties. Yeah, the girl them now cook, that I say. Same thing? With a Ligani, or the famous chicken spot in Ligani. I'll show it. The man that boy the same thing Scooby and father. But yes, this is this spot so be. You can't feed your chicken? Huh? I'm buying chicken.
This is the breast, yeah?
Yes.
And this is the leg and side.
Right.
Hope time, north side, plaza, church center. Yeah?
There you go.
Every time.
There you go. Okay. Of course. But I tell them it's the best place to buy chicken.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah? Me I come. And we got the pork over here.
One just on jerk pork. See there? See there?
One turn on. Hold on. Scooby, what is to me? Let me turn on the light up on the pork here. Can't see nothing. I can't see nothing. Okay, there you go.
See it there? Nice and juicy jerk pork.
North side plaza.
North side, just on jerk. Yeah, man. Let's get it, you know?
Looking good.
Yeah, man.
Steam
man. North side, I get the roast fish one weekend. You don't know right back till next year. And just be a roast fish and jerk pork and chicken. Just come on outside plaza, right across from the US Embassy.
Right.
Yeah, big up yourself. Fully active.
Fully active. Guys, the embassy is right over there. The American embassy is right there. Yeah.